Hi guys, are you intraday investor? Then please avoid this mistake. Mistake number one, don't put too much money in single stock. Tip number two, define your maximum loss. How much risk you can take, define and trade accordingly. Tip number three, take 360-degree view of market because every day market is different. So you have to analyze properly. Tip number four, you need to have good knowledge of stock. Tip number five, don't go by tips, go by your knowledge and do some research. Tip number six, you need to fix stop loss limit, not in mind, but you need to be on system because I've seen that people set limit only in mind. Okay, but it need to be on system also. So guys, please follow this step so that you can minimize your loss and you can make more money. So if you want more like this, please follow my channel and see you soon. Thank you so much.